Hello, here we'll see about linear inequalities in one variable, and we'll solve linear inequalities in one variable also. Let's have some examples and I'll show you what's the difference between linear inequality and linear equation. Okay, let's say you have 5x minus 7 is greater than 3x plus 9. Do the same steps like the equation, collect the like terms. That means I'll bring the 3x back and take the negative 7. 5x minus 3x is greater than 9 plus 7. With the signs, this was positive, so I bring it here with a negative, and this was negative here, so when I take it back it will be positive. So 5x minus 3x will give you 2x, greater than 9 plus 7 will be 16, so divide both sides by 2, so x will be greater than 8. Okay, I think it's clear, just doing the same like equation, but here it's just that sign is greater than. Let's take another example. Okay, here you have 3 into x plus 2 is less than or equal to 7x plus 15. First open the brackets. 3 times x will give you 3x, 3 times 2 will give you 6, less than or equal to 7x plus 15. Again, collect the like terms. I can bring this one here and take the 6 back, so we'll have 3x minus 7x less than or equal to 15 minus 6. Here 3x minus 7x will give you negative 4x, and here 15 minus 6 will give you 9. So to isolate the x, or to make the x alone, divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4, this will be cancelled out. X will be greater than or equal to negative 9 over 4. Okay, the question here is why I switched this sign, which is here it was less than and here I made it, I make it greater than. Okay, here I'll give you a note. So once you want to, or once you have to multiply or divide an inequality with a negative number, once you are going to multiply or divide a negative number for this inequality, you have to change the sign or switch it. That means if it was greater than, change it to less than, and the opposite. So this sign must be changed. So this is the difference. Now that you will know about the difference between equations and inequalities. That's the only difference that I want you to know now, and I think that we're not going to talk more about inequalities. It's enough if you know this difference, and it's enough if you know how to solve linear inequalities with one variable. Okay.